Good morning to everyone. I am Akash studying BSc second year in Government Degree College. Today our botany project is traditional herbal plants in Huzurnagar and their medicinal importance. My team is Anusha, Harinath, Karthik and Ramya. Introduction and need of the study. Indian traditional medicine is based on different systems such as Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani used by various communities. Village communities from various ecosystems use large proportion of biodiversity for human and veterinary health care. Of all different organisms, medicinal plants have been greatly considered by rural communities as they improve the economy of rural people. Thus, there is now urgency for ethnobotanical research amongst aboriginal people. Today, there is an increasing desire to unravel the role of ethnobotanical studies in tracking the centuries-old tradition, folk knowledge, as well as searching new plant resources, food, drugs, etc. People living in the developing countries rely quite effectively on traditional medicine for primary health. Medicinal plants play a major role in the rural areas of the third world countries. The knowledge of these medicinal plants is inherited orally from generational travels. The role of medicinal plants in resolving health problems is invaluable on a global level. Documenting the indigenous knowledge through ethnobotanical studies is important for the conservation and utilizing of biological resources. Huzurnagar is part of Surapeta district as one of the oldest and richest cultural tradition of using the medicinal plants. The rural people of the district still depending on traditional ethnomedicine for their day-to-day primary health care. Extension study in relation to medicinal flora of the area has not been carried out so far. Objectives: An attempt will be made on the diversity and conservation of herbal plant resources of rural and urban area of Huzurnagar used in folk medicine. To survey and document the diversity of plants used in folk medicine. Second one is to know the resource useful parts of plants used in curing disease in the study area. Third point is to list out the medicinal plants in the study area. Finally, to create awareness among the people regarding the importance of herbal plants.
Good morning everyone, this is Karthik. Materials and methods. The project study aims at a systematic attempt towards a fine scale assessment of the herbal plants resource in rural and urban areas of Huzurnagar. An ethnobotany survey conducted on medicinal plants for the treatment of common ailments in humans. The information was gathered using various techniques such as open and structured interviews in discussions with local people involving traditional herbal medicine practice. Plants were identified using relevant scientific literature.
540 seconds, close.
Herbal exploration were conducted intensively from past 3 months with the involvement of UG second year students of botany. The herbal plants collected, prepared specimens and preserved in the Department of Botany. An attempt has been made into study the parts used and method of uses in folk medicine of each plant, and the relevant information is documented. Special care taken towards the collection and preservation of medicinally important plants. Rare and few important medicinal plants which are not present in the college are collected from surrounding areas and planted in herbal garden of college facility in situ conservation.
I'm Pujita, studying second Gaudigri College, Switzerland. Coccolus hill. Plant name is Coccolus hirsutus. And Coccolus hirsutus, commonly called as Dusartiga. Family belongs to the Menispermaceae. This is called coolant, antimicrobial, diuretic and laxative. Cryptostiga grandiflora, commonly called as rubber tica. Family belongs to the Acidiaceae.